Hi, I'm Craig from KRONE UK. We're going to do some quick pre-season checks on the new Vendro 900 tedder. If you follow us round to the front, we'll get started. Now we're at the front of the machine, we'll do the simple stuff first. Make sure all your lights and electrics are intact, so plugs are good, and all the brake lights, side lights and indicators all work. And also pay close attention to the hydraulic fittings that you don't have any cracks or leaks. If you do, probably consult your dealer about getting them repaired. Onto the PTO shaft, you want to make sure it slides in and out freely enough, it doesn't have any bends. Make sure the guard's intact and all the universals are greased as well. Now we're around the back of the machine, we'll go over some more points. All the rotor gearboxes are maintenance free, so you don't need to worry about them. It's good to check for the season ahead all your tyres are the correct pressure and none are cracked or damaged before you start. Have a good look at your tines, make sure none are bent or broken before you go to work. If you do replace a tine, please consult the operator's manual for the torque setting for this bolt. You'll see around the machine there's grease nipples, which are all itemised in the operator's manual. Most of the top ones are all 25 hours. The bottom, less moving parts, are 50 hours. When you're having your checks, also make sure none of the nuts and bolts around the machine get slack. These also have a torque setting in the operator's manual. So that's your pre-season checks complete. If you've got any further information you need, please contact your local dealer. Thank you.